Hey guys, sorry for not having a video ready for you at 8 o'clock this morning on Sunday, like usual. But we have a big video coming on Tuesday, the 31st at noon. It's a year-end review and a kind of an explanation of what the BucketList Mob is. So stay tuned and enjoy this just short video of Scott getting his 66 Mustang up and running. What we've got here is the 66 Mustang, Dodge Mustang SS, Plymouth Mustang SS. Scott picked this bad boy up. Dude, you haven't had it very long. You've been thrashing on it.
Mid-October, I think.
Mid-October. Yeah, and got lots of parts. We were just looking at it underneath. It's brand spanking new. And he's got it to a point where it's ready to fire. So we're over here gonna have some excitement when he fires up this small block Chrysler 440.
Yep, it's stroked. It's 496.
So we're waiting for your nephew to come over. He's gonna run the key.
He's gonna be the official startup guy.
Yep. So we're super close. Hopefully. Hasn't made any noise yet, so
we'll see.
Okay.
50-50.
50-50. I like them odds.
Me too.
Those odds are better than us finishing drag week and sick week. So, and we've made every one. Knock on wood. So give us 5 minutes.
Right here. Yep, this is the turn. Kind of snug.
Push and turn.
It's real hard to turn. It's still new. Ready? Put your hands on there.
There we got a little.
A little fuel? Mm-hmm. All right, let's do it one more time. Ready?
There you go.
Yep.
Let's make some thunder. Right? You ready?
Wait a minute. Give me
You gonna drive it off?
No, I don't have a clue. Yep, we will here in just a second, though.
You gonna drive it back to your house?
Go do burnouts in the out front.
You gotta finish the brakes first.
Brakes are for sissies.
That's,
How are the brakes? Don't know. Never touched them.
you'll have to pump it 10 or 12 times.
You like them clamps?
Antique. Kind of like your uncle.
Yeah.
He's antique.
Car's a little older though.
Yeah, you can torque it if you got to. I didn't take into account that fitting was 5/16 and not 3/8 like the fuel line.
A little extra squeeze.
Alright. You ready to see what happens?
What do you want to do? You want to help him crank it?
Okay.
He can't. It's real tight. You know what? I'll keep my head out of the way.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Keep turning it.
Sure, there's no gas. There we go. Starting.
Those are good odds.
Contact.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. A little slow. Okay.
Go on. When we get fire, we gotta stop turning.
Been a while. I don't remember if that sounds slow or if that sounds too far ahead. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Turn.
That sounds really slow.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Getting there.
Yep. Hit her again.
You ready? Go, boys.
Man, that still
I
sounds.
don't like a Harley.
Yeah, worse. Sounds really slow, but it can't be. Okay. I hate electric chokes. Like the old John Deere tractor. All right, do her again. I think it's really slow.
You ready?
Do you not feel now? Do her again.
You have to move her too.
Shouldn't. Should be. Well, we may.
Practice.
Yeah, oh yeah, been a long time. Do her again.
Here you go, buddy.
Almost sounds like it's like the ignition is not staying hot when you let off the starter. Try her again.
Here you go, buddy.
Because it should stay.
Yeah, but it still detractored, right, when you had the key off.
Yes.
Yeah, it kind of sounds like that, doesn't it?
Try her one more time and we'll see.
doesn't, it won't stay. Lack of a dance. What, man?
Little panic induced there.
I love when the choke slams shut and fills it with fuel. Look at that. Electric choke. I got a leak.
You said we don't need no stinking joke.
Nah, we should have just put a manual on it and been done.
She's a driver. Yeah. Some brakes on it and should be a daily.
That's right.
Not afraid to drive it.
Nope. Beer run mobile. Beer
All
getter.
right.
Yeah, beer getter. Grocery getter.
God. I should have went to the bathroom to do that.